In this video, you will learn how to insert page number in a PDF file. For example, I have a PDF file and I want to insert page number. Firstly, you can see here that page number is not inserted in this file. Now, if I want to insert the page number like this one, you can see here I have inserted the page number in a separate file, which is the same file but the page number is inserted. For example, when I scroll down, you can see here page number appeared here. So in this video, you will learn how to insert page number in a PDF file. And if this video is helpful for you, then please like this video and subscribe our channel for more informative videos. So let's start this tutorial. Firstly, open this website. I will provide the link in description, so you can use that link to open this website. Once you open this web page, then you will find the option of select PDF file here. Just click on here and locate the file. For example, in current case, I want to insert page number on this file. I will click on it and I will insert open. You can also add other files using this plus sign, but for time being I will use only this single file. You can see here that currently this file contain only 2 pages. On upper corner you will find the option of page mode. Either it is single, you want to insert on every single page, or facing page. Currently it is single page is selected, and if you select facing page, then the page number will appear on opposite direction. Secondly, you can see here that the red circle appeared here. It will show the how your page number will appear. For example, I will select single page, and if you place your cursor on this red circle, then you will find that number 1 will be placed on bottom right. Similarly, if you click on here, and here number 2 will appear on bottom right. You can change position using this option, either on upper end or lower end, left or right, whatever you want. So these are very useful options. Additionally, you can also control the margin. Currently it is selected recommended, but if you want big margin, you can select this one, and if you want to select small margin, this appeared here. You can see here when you select small margin, then the page number will be appeared on downside, and when you select large margin, it will be slightly upward direction. I will select big margin. Now if you scroll down, you will find other option as well. Here you will find the option of pages. First, if you want to page number first as 1 or 2 or 3, you can use. For example, I want to insert page number 2 here. You can change it to 2, and if you place your cursor on this red circle, then you can see here that this page number is appeared as number 2 instead of 1. If you change it to number 1, then the numbering will be changed to 1. Then if you scroll down, you will find other option. For example, which page do you want to number? I want to number both pages from page 1 to page 2. So I will not change this one. Additionally, another important option is how you want to insert page number in what format. For example, if you want that page appeared along with the page number, you can use this one. When you select this one and place your cursor on red circle, then you can see the format of this page, that on every page appeared along with the page number. And if you use this option, then it will be appear like page 1 of 2, page 2 of 2. And if you just only insert the page number, then use this one. Now you can also control their font size. There you can bold, italic, or you can change their color. For example, I want to change their color to red. I will select red. After doing all this, simply click on here, add pages number. When you click here, then it will start inserting the page number. You have to wait for 1 to 2 minutes. After that, it will start downloading this file. Now our page file is downloaded. I will open this file. Now you can see here that the page number will be appeared here. I will scroll down this file, and here you will find the option page 1 and page 2. If you want change the format like page 1 of 2 or 2 of 2, then you can use other option as I earlier explained. So that's the end of this tutorial. Thanks for watching this tutorial. Goodbye.